Hello dear students, welcome to our physics online class. I am your physics teacher. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about the definition of a heat and temperature, and also we have discussed what are the differences between a heat and temperature. So in the last class only we know that by touching an object we can just say that it is a hot object, it is a cold object, but we can't say the exact temperature of any object. It may be a hot or it may be in a cold condition. So to tell the hotness and coldness of an object, we are using a special instrument. What is that instrument? How that instrument is constructed? How that instrument is working? All those things we have to discuss in this class. So our today's topic is measurement of a temperature or a measuring of a temperature. Measuring of temperature. That means how we are going to measure the temperature of an object, that may be a cold or a hot. So here, to measure the temperature, we are using a device. Is known as thermometer, or simply we can say that the thermometer is a device which measures the temperature of an object, that we are calling as a thermometer. Once again, thermometer, the device or an instrument, the device which measures the temperature of an object. That object may be in a solid state, liquid state, or in a gaseous state. Any state of a matter you can consider. To measure the temperature of all the types of matters, we are using a thermometer. So the thermometer is working on the principle, that is expansion of a liquid. So this is a principle. Based on this principle, whatever the thermometer is said, the thermometer working. So what is meant by a principle? So whatever the devices are there, all those devices are working under a particular principle. So in the last class you already know that or in electromagnet. So but I will give the simple example. You can consider the iron box. So for the iron box we are supplying the current, but that is converting in the terms of an heat. That we are calling as a principle of a electric heat effect. That means by supplying the current, it going to convert into a heat. So that principle we are calling as a electric heat effect. That means whatever the our iron boxes is there, and a oven, yes, coffee maker, those are all are working under the principle of a electric heat effect. So like that, whatever our thermometer is there, that thermometer working under the principle of expansion of a liquid. So what is meant by expansion of liquid is nothing but by supplying the heat, by supplying heat, liquids expands. That we are calling as a expansion of a liquid. So by supplying a heat ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So whatever the thermometers are there, that thermometers are working under the principle of a liquid, the expansion of a liquid. That means which type of the liquid is present in the thermometer. So liquid present in the thermometer, that is red colored alcohol, alcohol or mercury. Red colored alcohol or a mercury. These two liquids are present in the thermometer. Either red color alcohol is present or a mercury is present. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ thermometer. First we have to know that laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. Okay, then second one is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. And the third one is digital thermometer. Digital thermometer. So these are the three thermometers which we are going to observe commonly. So in the different types of so many types of thermometers are there, but we are going to discuss only three types of thermometers for our sections. So once again just I will recall these things. The first is thermometer is nothing but by seeing the object or by touching the object we can't say the particular temperature of an object. To measure the particular temperature of the object we are using a device. That device or instrument we are calling as a thermometer. Thermometer we are using to measure the temperature of a object. So this temperature, whatever the temperature is that temperature thermometer is working on the principle of a liquid expansion of a expansion of a liquid or a liquid expansion. So what is meant by expansion of a liquid means by supplying the heat liquid starts to expand. Heat ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ thermometer work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which type of the liquid is present in the thermometer means a red color alcohol or a mercury. In these two liquids one liquid is present, and the types are a laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer and a digital thermometer. So in the next class we have to discuss one by one. First we have to discuss about the laboratory thermometer. What is laboratory thermometer, principle, working, construction, all those things we have to discuss in the next class. I hope all are understand what is thermometer, what is the principle and which liquids are present in the thermometer and different types of a thermometer. So in the next class we have to discuss a first thermometer, that is a laboratory thermometer. Okay, thank you.